Alright guys, so everyone's been asking me in all the Facebook groups and everything how I made my hydroponic system. So this is it. 4-inch thin wall pipe, 2-inch holes drilled with a hole saw, 5 inches apart or 6 inches apart, whatever you prefer, all the way down. This very first cap where the water is going in is just capped off. No holes drilled in it, nothing. Capped off, feed your water in from the top. This one right here comes out, elbows down into the reservoir. The top one will go down. It'll go out, come into this one, come out, go into this one, and so on. Down to the reservoir, the pump will feed it back up again. Okay, so I'm going to show you the easiest way to make these end pieces so you can get this ran. Very simple. All you need is a 4-inch thin wall cap. You're going to need 8 of these. These are optional. It's a union. Unscrews and screws together. This water's tight. So you can take your whole system apart and clean it if you want to. You do not have to put this on there if you don't feel like it. It's just an extra step because I like to have my stuff cleaned out. You're going to need a 1-inch male adapter, PVC. You're going to need a 1-inch female adapter, PVC. And you're going to need these rings. You can find these in the plumbing section at Lowe's or Home Depot. You're going to need 16 of these. You're going to need one for the inside of the cap and the outside of the cap. So what you're going to do, you're going to drill a hole through the cap just big enough for this thread, the male, to go through like that. This rubber grommet, or this O-ring, goes down on here like this. Anyways, you just put it on. Stick it through. The rubber will be between it. And then on the inside, you'll stick the other one on it. Then you'll take your female and you'll screw them together. They come out looking like this. And that's how you make the ends. It's that simple. No, you don't need any pipe dope or silicone. This is it. And then you just glue them together. Okay. You're gonna need elbows. So you'll come out of this with a little piece of pipe. You'll elbow it over to the next one. This next one will go like that. And then it'll feed that way. So the water comes down through here. This, feed that way. You can take your union, put this right in between so you can unscrew all of your system and screw it back together, and it'll stay water sealed, and you can clean it and drain it when you need to. It makes it real easy. Instead of having to pick the system up, take it outside, try to dump it, vacuum it out, or whatever. Just drain it right into a bucket. So that's how you make your end pieces. And on your another way I like to do it on all of my pieces, I like these to be on the bottom like that, so the system can fill up easily while I'm on the bottom. The very last one that's dripping into the reservoir, you want that one upside down, so you want it on the top. What that does is that allows your entire system to fill up, and as soon as the water hits the bottom of this one, it'll start running out. If you drill that hole exactly 1.5 inches, the water will be at a perfect height to reach the bottom of the neck cup and the roots without soaking everything in the system, without soaking the rock wool, flooding everything. It'd be perfect. That's how you do it. I'll post a picture when I'm finished and get everything put together. I'll take a small video or a picture of it. I'll post it at the end of this. All right, have a good one. All right, guys, I got everything put together now. Just want to show you how it looks. This right here is the end. It's going to come out 90 down into that hole right there to drain. That's all I need, light getting in there. So capped off, comes up in there, comes all the way down, and that's what it looks like. This right here is waterproof, but you unscrew it and you can pull the system apart to clean it out, and then tighten them back up. It's completely sealed. I did that here, and once down here, right in the middle. And it's completely waterproof. It will not leak. This seals because it has a rubber washer in it. And yeah, that's it. That's how I made it. I just want to let you know. And again, this is 4-inch thin wall PVC. This is 1-inch PVC for this. All the fittings are 1 inch for this. 4-inch caps, thin wall. Crocky, mate. And that's it. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments.